Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you are all fine. Okay, students, today our lecture is for the 3 class. The week is 8 and the subject is English. Today we read about the topic which is about reflexive noun, like singular and the plural concept. Word used instead of noun. Open your book, page number 15. In this chapter, we read about the 3 things. Means about the reflexive noun, means about the singular noun, and means about the plural noun. First one is about the reflexive pronoun. Pronoun where the actions of subject reflects upon itself is known as the reflexive noun. Now the next one is about the singular pronoun. We add self to the personal pronoun to form the singular pronoun. Means that singular means one. When we talk about the one thing, we use and we add the word self, S-E-L-F, self. Like myself, like yourself, like himself and herself. But when we talk about the 2 person, 3 person, more than, we add this word self, S-E-L-V-E-S, selves, for the plural. Like themselves and ourselves. When we talk about the singular pronoun, we use the word self. When we talk about the plural pronoun, we use the word selves. Now you have clear concept in your mind, like reflexive pronoun, singular pronoun and the plural pronoun. Now here is an exercise on the book, page number 15. Fill in the blanks with the correct words from the brackets. They are given you 2 words and you have to choose the right one. Like children, you can help dash to the boys. They talk about the children. Now you have clear concept in your mind, like ourself or yourself. The answer is yourself. Mr. Hamid considered dash responsible for the fire. He means that he converted into the him, himself. They love dash in the costume. They convert into the second form, them. Ourselves, no, themselves. The naughty monkey see dash in a mirror. Monkey, itself. Sana cut dash while chopping the vegetable. Sana is a girl. She converted into the her, so that's why herself. The answer is yourself, himself, themselves, itself and herself. Now, I hope you have clear concept in your mind about the reflexive pronoun, singular pronoun and the plural pronoun. The next topic is about the pronoun. Okay student, our next topic is pronoun. Now, as we know that the complete definition of the noun, the name of a place, person or thing is known as the noun. Noun has 3 types: common noun, proper noun and pronoun. Common noun, general names. Proper noun, particular name, complete name. And pronoun stand in place of common noun and the proper noun. Means that the name that is given in the form of the noun is converted into the pronoun. Like, for example, Sana really liked football is the example. Now, in this example, you see Sarah. Sarah is a girl, so that's why we use she. Really, same as it is really. Liked. Football is a living thing or non-living thing? Football is a non-living thing, so that's why we use the word it. Now, you have clear concept about the pronoun, like in the name that is given in place of noun is known as the pronoun. Means that किसी भी नाम को he या she, they या they में convert कर देने को pronoun कहा जाता है. अगर if I write here Ali is a good boy. Ali is the name of a boy, so that's why we write here as the he, and he is a pronoun. Now open your book, page number 16. Pronoun stand in place of common noun and proper noun. They are given you 2 examples, like Sana really liked football. She really liked it. Another one, Sarah has a doll. She plays with it. In this example, Sarah is a girl, so that's why we use the word she and doll, it. Now, Another example is about like Jameel had homework, he wanted to do it. Ali and Asad are eating ice cream, they liked it very much. Now the exercise is given on the book page number 16, like circle the correct pronoun to complete each sentence. First one, the baby cried because dash was hungry. You have to choose baby, she. She was hungry. Will you let dash play the game with you? Will you let us, not we. Will you let be a correct noun, complete sense? So that's why we use the word us. Mr. Sajid said that we cannot talk during class. Next one, Fatma. Fatma has pain in dash left knee, in her knee. Second form of verb. After finishing my homework, I go to play. Use this pronoun to complete a description of his family. You may this pronoun more than once. They are given you different words in this box like we, he, she, they, I, us and it. And you have to complete this paragraph. Like, hello, my name is Asad, dash, live in the city. I live in the city with my mother, father and 2 sisters. My father is a doctor. Like talk about male person, so that's why we use he. He works for hours. My mother is a lawyer. Mother, girl, she. She works part-time only. My sisters and dash. Talk about herself like I. My sister and I try to help our parents as much as we can. My sisters help in the kitchen. She wash and dry the dishes. We have a cat called Mano. It has lived with us for a long time. You have to complete this paragraph under the guideline of your parents and the teacher also. The next one, like fill in the blanks with a suitable pronoun. Now you have to clear concept in your mind about the pronoun. So that's why we complete this fill in the blanks like I am a student, she is Sana, he is a boy, we are friends, Ali and Sana are cousin, they, T-H-E-Y, they go to school together, it is a table. Now again, I, she, he, we, they and it. Now you have clear concept in your mind about the reflexive noun like singular and the plural, and the next topic is about the pronoun, the definitions of the noun and the part of the noun. Now the task that I am assigning to you is to complete these exercises. Now come on the next page, which is about page number 18. Find the pronoun in these sentences, see which noun they are replacing. The first one has been done for you. Like Jameel had a piano but he said it. Now look at the page number 18. They are given you an exercise on the page number 18. The first one is, for example, Jameel had a piano but he sold it. Means that Jameel had a piano but he sold it. Now look at that. Jameel is a noun. Means he is a boy. We call it Jameel as a noun. But when we talk about the pronoun, now find out the various pronoun. Had a piano? No. But no. He. Because that they use the word he instead of Jameel. Again repeating the word. Jameel had a piano but Jameel sold it. No. So that's why they use the word he, and he is a pronoun. And now you have to find out under these examples noun and the pronoun. Like next one, the lesson started at 2 o'clock and lasted it in 2 hours. Lesson is a noun and lasted is a pronoun. Next one, Mrs. Ali gave the lessons but she was strict. Mrs. Ali is a noun. She is a pronoun. Football was more fun and Jameel was good at it. Football is a noun and it is a pronoun. When Jameel and his friends were talking, they had an idea. Jameel and friends are the noun and they are pronoun. You have to complete this under the guideline of your tutors and the parents also. Now the next one is about underline the right pronoun. My father is an engineer, dash is not a teacher. You have to identify he or she. He. That girl is crying. Girl she, she, she. The dog is barking. Dog, he. I like to visit my uncle. Dash live in Malaysia. Uncle, he, male character. I am a doctor. My duty is to treat sick people. Doctor talking about himself, so that's why they choose I. Ali and Ahmad are twins. They are 4 years old. They are about two things, 2 persons, so that's why they use the word they, T-H-E-Y, they. Now the next one is same as that. You have to complete this page under the guideline of your parents and the teacher also. This is the task that I am giving to you, that you have to learn this chapter. The next chapter is about your verb. Now you have to concept in your mind verb. As I told you, verbs are the action words that I am teaching you and you are studying. Teaching is my action and studying is your action. Like, now they are giving you the different form of the words and you have to read this as it is. They are giving you on the book page number 20 and the 21. And 22 and the 23 also you have to complete. Now the task that I am assigning to you is that you have to learn the grammar chapter number 7, 8 and 9 in the whole week, and this is your homework that you have to complete. Okay students, now thank you so much. Stay safe at your homes. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.